Easy, not a difficult. So I'm going to enter into the bar graph and directly concept and then next example. Bar graph I am going to introduce. So in this bar graph, so what is this bar graph is? Just remember your progress report in the school. Progress report in the school. Progress report in the school. Just tell me what is the progress report you have seen in your school? That is a bar graph. So visualize, imagine by yourself. So bar graph is one of the visualization tool. I'm just defining what is a bar graph. A bar graph is one of the visualization tool. Visualization tool. Okay. Visualization tool. Between what to what? Numerical values and categorical data. It is one of the visualization tool that uses rectangle rectangle bars rectangle rectangle bars, the rectangle bars, that is unit test 1 percentage you got it, unit test 2 some percentage you got it, that bars which you are getting it, this is called one bar, this is called one more bar, this is called one more bar, this is called one more bar. These are all called what? Categories in x-axis, and this is called what? Numerical values will be there. So is a that uses rectangle bars to compare, to compare, to compare. What values, numerical values with what, numerical values across numerical values with different categorical data. This is an important student. Different categorical data. Categorical data. Categorical data means unit 1 is a one category. Unit test 2 is a category. Annual is a category. Half yearly is a category. Quarterly is a category. And percentage is called what? Numerical value. Numerical value. Are you following this? So categorical data that will be compared and numerical values with what? Categorical data that uses and across different categorical values. This bar graph, the bar graph, the bar graph, I'm going to write it. The bar graph related rectangle bars, that is called a rectangle bars, are proportional means what? Equal to or proportional to, you can write it, proportional to what the values they represent, proportional to the values they represent. So if I explain the example, you can understand it. This is the meaning of bar graph representation, you can take it. So the best example, if you keep your school progress report of your annual test, that is more than enough, you can understand. So let me go for some examples, student. Some examples I want to go for it. What are the examples? Now I'm going to give you. So examples I'm going to present for you. So let me show you the examples. Directly go to the examples. Now I'm going to take it. Matplotlib. So bar plot I will take it. Examples I will take it. I will take this notes. There I will take it. Examples on bar graph. I will show you. Directly this I will show you. So try to understand. Here I am going to take it. Start. In a form, 400 employees, the percentage of monthly salary saved by employee is given to the following table represented through bar graph. Savings, 20% is saved by how many people? So this 20% is called what? A category. What is this 105? A numerical value. 30% is saved how many people? 193. 40% saved 29. And 50% saved by 20. Right. This is called what? Savings is called what? One category. This represents what? Numerical values. So when should I go for the bar graph? To visualize my categorical data with numerical value. Next, I will go for one more kind of thing. Next, I will go for one more kind of thing, students. What is the next one I am going to take up? It is going to be something like this. Draw a bar chart for the year and the number of students placed in vertical and then horizontal. It's a type of bar graphs, vertical bar graph and horizontal bar graph. What is the year? 2020. How many number of students placed? 120. 2021, 200. 2022. This is years are called what? Category. And this is known as what? Numerical value. So by seeing the problem, you can understand what is the category, what is the numerical value, easily you can understand. So both vertical and what? Horizontal graph. One more kind of thing. Example number two, because these are all I collected from different students who appeared for the exam from the last so many years. These days I am not collecting. These are the last 2 years back, 1.5 year back, what our students faced it. They got the questions. I just collected from them. So example number three, a cosmetic manufacturing company manufactures different shades of lipsticks. They sell 6 months is shown in the table. Represent it using bar graph. What is this now? Month they are giving, sales they are giving in units. Units. January, this one, February, this much. Each month they are giving number of sales. Are you following? So what is this? February, January, February, etc. are called category. What is these are called? Numerical values. Next, one more thing. A school conducted a survey to know the favorite sports of the students. The table below shows the result of this survey, name of the sport, and the total number of students who like that. Cricket liked by this many, football liked by this, basketball, volleyball, chess, and the tennis, and then badminton. This is the category. Name of the sport is called a category, and this is called what? Numerical data. So this will give you the category versus numerical data. Are you following me? One more example I will add it, students. One more example. This is also one more example I'm going to say. Stacked bar graph is going to be a next one. I'm going to take it. So example, I'm going to take it. Example number, something like what is this example number? Okay. Something like draw a plot, draw a bar graph, draw a bar graph. I'm going to write it bar graph for the following, for the following sample data, for the following sample data. So what is that I'm taking? Here I'm writing cities, city. I'm going to write a city and then population and then population. I'm writing here population. So in millions, I'm writing millions, millions. So I'm writing it. So what is that now? I'm writing here New Delhi, some city, New Delhi. So the population I'm writing in terms of millions, for example. So 35, some sample data. Next is called Noida. So Noida. So I'm writing something like, 10. Next I'm writing one more kind of thing is called Mumbai. Mumbai. So I'm writing there 25, 25. So next I'm going to write it Jaipur, Jaipur. Next, I'm going to write there, I'm going to write it, 5. Next, Hyderabad, Hyderabad. That is going to be called 15, something like this. Chennai, right? Chennai. It is going to be called something like 12. Like this, this is our data. Like that, so many cities you can take and you can have the sampling of it. What will be the category here? City. What will be the numerical value here? Population. So this data is available here. Multiple diagrams are available. Are you following me? So how do you represent this? Now I want to go for it. To implement the bar graph, I already said 5 plots are there, 5 functions are available. What are the 5 plots? Line plot, bar plot, histogram, scatter plot, pie plot. So what is this yesterday's class? Line plot. What is the function name? P PLT 5 plot dot plot of x comma y comma ls comma lw comma c comma marker comma mec comma mfc. I wrote so many, right? So many properties. X and y are the main important things. Our coding things is only x and y. Very well. Next, I will go to here also. Bar plot also contains two categories, two variables. What is the first one? Category X, comma, numerical value Y. Rest of them are what? Beauty tools. Beauty tools. Width, color. Width means how much bar I want. Width of the bar. For each and every category, width of the bar will be taken. Why you sat in the last? Huh? You want to sit alone? So no place. Okay. Sit. So listen very carefully. So your friend now can sit with you. Come, keep your back. Sit. Take care. Good boy. He's a very good boy. Take care. So now coming to the point back. Now draw the bar chart. This is going to be wait, what I'm explaining. X comma Y. Width color. Each bar can change as a color. How many bars are there? Those many bars I can put a color. Bar width also I can increase. Increasing the width, color changing, that is all called what? Uh, Blinking, all the that is all not my job. That is a beautician job. Beautician job can be done by anybody else, but you need not to. First of all, then it is a makeup kind of job, is not ours. Our job is what? Coding. Coding. Okay. Shall we start out? Right. This is a problem one. This is a problem two. Example one, example two. This is an example three. Example three. This is an example four. Example four. Majority of the time we use coding part, students. Example number four. Example number four. And next example number five. Example number five. Now this data can be represented in how many ways? Last class I said already 5 ways. One is in the form of what? One is in the form of what? List data. One more is in the form of what? ND array data. One more is in the form of what? Series data. One more is in the form of what? Data frame. One more is in the form of, yes. So easy now. So those things are programmatic. So whichever you like it, we can go for this. So here you see, this is going to be very easy for you. This is also going to be very easy. Everything is easy. Nothing is going to be difficult. So in this case, I will be going for some example. Some example. So which one you want me to do it? Example one, example two, etc. And one more thing is, there are two functions are there here. What are the two functions, ma? One is called, to implement this, there is a bar of, what is this now? Phi plot dot bar of, what is this now? X comma Y. X comma Y. Other parameters also there, width, color, that is not necessary to bother. One more is called what, ma? Phi plot, phi plot dot what? Bar. Phi plot dot bar. What is this? Bar H, ma? Bar H. Spell out bar H. There I am going to take it X comma Y. This is for which graph? Horizontal bar graph. Horizontal bar graph. This is for which bar graph? Vertical bar graph. Which bar graph? Vertical bar graph. Are you able to follow now? Vertical bar graph here. Vertical bar graph and then horizontal bar graph. These are the functions we are going to implement. Along with that width and all those things. Coming to this now, coming to this place, and I already wrote it. Properties of bar graph. So all bars starts from common baseline, that is called x-axis. Each bar has same width. Next, remember your progress card report. Keep it in your eyes, in the brain. The height or length of each bar shows the value of the data. Like what? Here you see, to 20% of the people, 105 number will be shown. Number 5 is going to be called what? Numerical data. Next, the distance between every two bars is equal. Equal will be maintained. The bars can be drawn either vertically or horizontally. If I draw the bars vertically, it is called a vertical bar graph, and other one is horizontal bar graph. So types of bar graphs. One is called a vertical bar graph. One more is horizontal bar graph. Vertical bar graph. So there I am writing, when the grouped data are represented vertically in bar graph or bar chart with the help of bars, where the bars denote measures of the data. Such graphs are called vertical bar graph. If you see the example, you will understand if this is text data. With the text data, rather than reading before the output, if after the output, if you read, you'll understand, right? So it's like what before watching cinema, before watching movie, if you read the textbook of that movie in the form of a text narration, you cannot understand. If I watch the movie, you can understand because visualization like that. Horizontal bar graph, same. In this implementation, I'm talking about it. Implementation, I'm talking how to implement PLT dot bar x comma y. X is called what? Category. Y is called what? Numerical values. Width is equal to numerical value or color is equal to color name for vertical graph. Bar H, X comma Y. Height is equal to, then next is called what? Color is equal to. If it is a vertical, width will be there. If it is a horizontal, height will be there. I will show you that. I will explain you that. Nothing to bother about it. Problems. So I'll go for it. Shall I start off? So this part I can take it, this part you can take it. It is your choice, whatever you like it. So I'm going to represent, I think, can I take this one? Anything, whichever you like it, I can take it. So this I will go for taking it. Can I take it? So other thing, you try to do it. I will show in all the ways and the rest of them you can take it. This also you can take it, students. This also you can take it. Whichever you like it, I can take it because all of them are same discussion only. So I will take this problem. Shall I start up? So let's start with, I will take this example and I will move forward. So how do you represent this? I will go to the Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook, I will take it. Problem solving statement. And that before, if you want some more examples to be shown, I'll show you that also. And before that example, if you want a small example to be done, you just observe this now. Some values are available here. See now, examples. X is what? Apples, kiwi, strawberry, mango. What is this now? List of fruits and a list of quantity 40, 20, 35, 23. What is that? PLT dot bar of X comma Y. What it will show? Bar graph. Small example. Then after that, what I am doing? Bar of X comma Y. Color is equal to what? Dark blue. Blue. So I'll just go for that. A small example first. Later I will go for that example. Numerical example, I will take it. So students, carry this example. I'm going to take up. I think you are understanding. Nothing difficult. So here I will post it. Sample examples here. You try to observe here. You will be getting. This is going to be something like this. What are the bars you see? Apples, kiwi, strawberry, mango. What is this is called? Category. What is the numerical value? Chuskondi. 40. Is it 40 proportional to the 41 bar is coming or not? This is known as what? Width. This blue is called what? Color. By default, it is taking as a color. Blue is a color is taken. Even line also taken as what? Blue only. Blue only. So X comma Y. Plain kind of thing. Next, I will take the same kind of implementation. Next one. Color is equal to what I am saying? Dark blue. One new attribute I am adding to it. New attribute. What is that? Color. For horizontal vertical bar graph. So it is going to be something like this. Dark blue is added. Next one, you see what is the next property added? Color. How many bars I am having here? How many bars? 4 bars. Each bar I want a different color. This is a common color for all the bars. You want different colors? You can. This is called what? Category data. Category data. Next is called what? Category quantity, numerical values. X comma Y. Colors is equal to dark blue. Here, this one. I'm going to take it. Colors is equal to. For apple is concerned red. For kiwi is concerned brown. For strawberry is concerned hot pink. Mango is concerned yellow. Yellow. The colors I'm showing. PLT dot bar X comma Y. color is equal to list of colors. This is called a list of colors. So different bars will be showing different colors. So coming to this place now, I'm going to visualize my data in this way. Is it different colors are shown or not? Different colors. So color list I took it and colors I'm passing over there. Just one attributes related. Students, next one more thing you see, I'm writing color is equal to width is equal to what? 0.5. Rather than taking that much width, the default width, you can mention your own width also, students. So let us go to the next one is like this. So it is going to show you some width is reduced or not? Width is reduced. So this width is little bigger. All bars will have what? Same width. But I'm having what? Less width here. I think you're getting it. So all the properties what I mentioned here, the bar plot properties I said, that are very clear. That is called which graph it is? Come on, vertical bar plot. This is sorry, vertical bar plot only. Which bar plot? Vertical bar plot. Similarly, I will go for what also? Horizontal also I can take. Here I mentioned it. Here I mentioned what? Width. Width. Are you seeing? You imagine when they come for what? Horizontal. Horizontal means that will come like this. That will come like this. So this is going to be one bar. This is going to be one more bar. This is known as what? Height, na? This is known as height. It is not a width. It is going to be called as what? Height. So let me carry this. This is comes under horizontal. Now I will go for the same thing called what? Vertical this is. Now I will go to the horizontal. I will take it. How do you go for horizontal? Just I will go for bar H. Bar H I will take it. So see that bars are going to come automatically. The bars automatically changing. Quantities are coming to where? Numerical values are coming to one axis and categories are coming to other axis automatically when it comes. Are you getting me? Next, second one, if I go to it, second one, if I go to this example, bar H with a single color, if I take it, bar H, if I go to the single color, here I am writing H. I will just go for the same. It is going to be showing something like this. Done. Next, I will go for what different colors I want to take it. Different colors. So I'm going to use different colors here. How do you go for a different color? Same to same. I am using bar H. Here also bar H I am taking. Same window, same type of code. It is going to be different type of horizontal. Similarly, I will go for instead of what is that? Width. Now I can mention what? Type I can mention, height I can mention it. So width is going to be a invalid thing. I will go for what? Height. Height I can mention it. So this width you see. Now I'm going to take up bar H. So I'm going to take it instead of width. I can write it as what? Height I can mention it. So HEIGHT. Height I can mention it. Is it getting or not? Say same to same. So don't use what? Width. So I need to use what? Height. Is it clear? Right. This is a representation of concept called what? Both vertical and so already there is a syntax is available here. X comma width numerical value. Color is equal to either a color name or a list of colors. And here there is one thing called what? Height also available. For which one? Bar H. So basic diagram. Let me go to any one of it. You want to take it. You want to take this one. It is your choice. So I'm going to take this kind of data. Can I? So example number 4, I'm going to take it. Online students, is it clear up to here, ma? Is it clear up to here? Minimum diagram, basic diagram it is. Now I will take it. Next, new you go. New you go. New. So I want to represent this data, students. So I want to represent this data. Students, so how you can represent this? So I'm going to take it. I'm going to take up this one. So I will write it like this. So how do you take it, students? Now you take this one. Here I'm going to write it. This is a cricket. And next is called football. How do you represent? I am asking you. And choose the complex one. I will go to the complex coding part. Majority of the times, you try to go for whichever you are convenient when you go to the written test when this situation is coming like that. Which one is a more easy for you out of so many approaches? Hmm? All are difficult, huh? All are difficult, huh? Which one is easy for you? CSV file, huh? Dictionary, huh? List in list, huh? Which one? Yeah, Chapo. Which one? Which one is easy for you? CSV file. Can we start with CSV file? Easy. Dictionary, how do you do? Dictionary. Dictionary. Easy or difficult? Huh? Easy. What is there? Very easy. So I'm going to take it. Cricket is a key value. Key value, key value, key value. I will take it. Very easy for you. So even list also. List of sport, total number of students. List also easy. So I'll go for what? CSV file. Can I take CSV file? Let's start the CSV file. So I'm going to take up. Can I create CSV file now? Let's go. So I'm going to take up CSV file today. So I will take this kind of data. I will take it new. I will post it. What is the name of the sport? Come on, Babu Muddu. So cricket. This is called like that. Next one is called what? Football. I will take it, comma. I will write what? P3. Next, I'm going to take it basketball, comma, I will write it. Under this, I'm going to write a 99. Next, I'm writing volleyball and a comma, what I will write? 44. 44, I'm going to write it. There, I'm going to write a chess. I'm going to say, take like this. And it is going to be 66. Next is called a table tennis, comma, what I'm going to take it? 22. 22, I can write it. Badminton, I will take it as what comma. What is that? 37. It is called CSV file or not? Yes. Save it. Go to the place. Go to this place. KVR here. D colon. KVR here. Under that you save it. What is that now? Sports. Sports dot CSV. Sports dot CSV. Internally this is taken as what? Internally it is taken as what? Microsoft Excel separated file. Microsoft Excel separated file. Is it a total number of students and then sport? Everything is coming around. Yes. So come out of that. It is Microsoft Office, comma, Microsoft Office, Excel separated file it is. So here, Microsoft Office, Excel, comma, separated file. This part you learned even in Python also. Nothing difficult today. Now I need to go for reading or not? Let's go. Implementation now. Implementation. Starts. Come on, Modu. Import pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Next, from Matplotlib. Or if you import, if you want to go for Matplotlib dot pyplot as what PLT. As what PLT. Okay. Next, I forget. Next, got it or not? Next, I need to do what? Read the data from where? CSV file. How do you get it? SP data, sports data is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV, read underscore CSV, absolute path, absolute path. So go to the place here KVR. I will take the sports data, sports dot CSV, sports dot CSV, double slash. You will write a double slash. So what is that? Sports dot CSV. Sports dot CSV. Okay. So done. Print of what I'm just writing sports data. Sports data. I'm going to write it. Sports data. I'm writing here. There I will write it. Print of what? SP data. SP data. So print of, so I'm going to write it, sports data here. So command of that, here I'm going to take it in this place. Just observe this. So this is my given data. So got my data here. Are you following me now? So how do you get this name of the sport? I want to get the name of the sport. How do you get it? Print of SP data, SP data of, come on, Madhu, name of sport. Don't type by yourself. Copy that. Exactly, it will be copied. So you will get it. So you are getting or not? Cricket and everything is coming. This is called which data? Sports data. Series data, okay. That is called a category data. మీకు చెప్పాలంటే చాలా కష్టం అసలు. What data means sports data. నాకు మతిపోతుంది మీ ఆన్సర్లు విని అసలు. I will lose my brain sometimes. Which data it is? If you tell like that, I will be happy for it. If you say sports data, series data, what is the type of it means you need to say. What is this data I'm asking? It is called what data? Category data. So your activity should give pleasant for me. If you say something, I will feel lot of dull because of that. So be active. So listen, thinking somewhere. You went to Jaipur or what? Rajasthan you went. Thinking about it. MP. Okay. Okay. So morning also there are a lot of MP students are there. 9 o'clock batch. 9 o'clock batch. Same like you. 4 5 members are there. Your students only. Your college only. Okay. 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 Now coming to one more kind of thing. I will go for next. This data also I want. This data also I want. What do you write here? This place I will write it. So got it. So also got this data. Now I need to write or not? Can you tell me how to draw this? Now if you say na, I'll really feel very happy for it. Now I will go for it. I got which data? Cricket I got it. This one I got it. Everything I got. Tell me. PLT dot. Up to that I will write. Up to that I will write. Because that is easy. SP data of, very good, name of the sport, name of the sport, okay, good, name of the sport, comma, come on, SP data, total number of, very good, close or not? Yes, next, PLT dot show, will it execute or not? Will it execute or not? Will it execute or not? Let's see. Test it. What girls, executes or not? Don't know. No idea. Will it execute or not? Execute. Okay. See. So I'm going to say this is going to be executed or not. Done. Cricket. What is coming next? Football, basketball, volleyball, chess, something like this. Some names are there, and these names are going to have some overlapping is there. You can take what? Small names you can take it. Or I can maintain the between width to width, I can mention some kind of value also. So if I go to that, what I can mention here, width is equal to something like 0.3, something like, you just go for this. You can write it, this kind of thing also, cricket, all those things. this cricket and all, rather than writing like that, you can write what also? Like this also, you can write it. Like this also. That is called what? This is called what? Horizontal written. You can write vertically also, you can write. How to write vertically, I'll show you. Don't worry about it. They are all beauty tool kind of thing. So first, how to represent it, I try to understand. Is it clear up? So, online students, I hope you are understanding about it. Width I reduced it, and you are getting the which one is interested in which game more and more. Suppose I have so many students, so many sports names are there. How to find out which sport is interested by the students? By this visualization tool only, na? So this one, it is almost touches to 100. So basketball is very much interested. So that the school will adopt only what? Basketball. One or two games they want to keep it, they will go for basketball. Is it clear? Right. Students, this is called one of the way. So last class I said, I thought you are going to tell this is called data. Dot what? Values. Dot what? Values. Other one also what? Dot values. Dot values. You can also say something like this. Is it clear? Right. Online students, this same kind of data, whatever you represented, you can represent through what also? ND array also data, you can take it. Series also you can take it. I hope you can do this rest of the examples, right? Will you do the rest of the examples? So population also, city name is here. Next is called what? Come on. This years. Next is called what? This years and everything you can go for it. Will you do? So I'll post it. You need to do. So like tomorrow, so not interest, not absent, sir, present, sir. Instead of that, so I will check your notes. Check your notes in the sense laptop. Need not to write in the laptop. Need not to do. You'll go for directly execute it. Okay, na? So at least show me the pic of it after executing. Get a pic and show. So don't tell, sir, my laptop is having low power, sir. Battery will not be on, sir. When I connect, then only it will come, sir. Well, I seen all these reasons so many years together. Get a pick of it. Get a pick of it. Don't get the pick of other person. Still, if you pick of other person means I cannot do anything. Okay? Right. So pick your own laptop machine because I've seen all these reasons so many years together. That's why I'm sharing all of them here. Will you do it up? Rest of them will you do? Now I'm going to enter into the little more of it. What is that? Stacked bar graph. So this one is which one? Vertical. The same example. You can go for what also? Horizontal also you can do. Can you do horizontal immediately? How? Bar H height is equal to I can take it. Height is equal to I can take it. Height is equal to like this. So are you getting or not? Like this. So see, this is going to be clearly visible. No overlapping is taking place. Are you following me now? Like this also you can take it. Okay? Right. Next, this you take care students. Now I will go for one more kind of diagram that is called stacked bar graph. What is a stacked bar graph? It is also called as a grouped bar graph, we can call it. So what is meant by stacking? Have you heard about stack in my class? Where NumPy stacking, H stack and V stack. H stack will add the data at which place? H stack will add the data at column position or row position. Huh? Madhu, H stands for what? Horizontal. Horizontal things are what? Rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 can be added at the end. So rows are added. Vertical means what? First one matrix, below one is added. Is columns are increasing or rows are increasing? Rows are increasing when you add two columns. When I add two columns, what is increasing? Row. When I add two rows, columns increases. The Paramananda Shishul Matam. When I add to horizontal, what is increasing? Columns will increase. When I add to the columns, what is increasing? Rows increasing. Already I said that. And one more also I said, concatenation of what? Data frames also I said. Concat. PD dot concat of df1 comma df2 comma df3 axis is equal to 0, which is going to be adding to what? Uh, Row is added. When add two columns, what is happening? Name, age, experience. Other name and experience getting what? Nan. Already you have seen that. So concatenating horizontal is not recommended. Concatenating one after the other is recommended. So dimension is same. What is increasing? Shape is increasing. What are increasing? Rows are increasing. Columns remain same only. That I said 3 comma 9, 3 comma 3 comma, not 3 comma. Rows are how many? I said that example 9 comma 3. That is that after adding to rows. Columns when you added 3 comma 9 came. 3 comma 9 structure is nans are there. 9 comma 3 is going to contain total data is available. Where I need to ensure the unique indices I need to ensure. That is about what? Concat. I said merge also I said merge. Merging also I said. Merging in terms of what? Add, subtract, multiply of the series of values I said. Data frame values I said. Series operation level I said. If you read that, you will understand. You will catch me. Otherwise, you will say, "Sir, sorry, speaking something. Why we bother about it? You are already suffering with summer kind of effect." So come to the point of it. Online students, is this word, sir? I think the people who understood that kind of thing is reachable to you. When you did not touch the book, you cannot understand at all. Now I'm going to enter into where? Stacked bar graph. Spell out all of you. Stacked bar graph, I am going to take it. So it is also a little programmed concept now. What is meant by stacked bar graph? Same functions only I will use, but it is going to be little different. Let's go to one small discussion. I will take it. This is my graph. It is an extension of bar graph. This is called x-axis. This is called y-axis. So assume that I'll take direct example. This is called in the year 2020, in the year 2023, CSC, this is called a CSC placements. This is a CSC placements. After that, in the same year, this is called a CSC placements. Next is called what? In the same year, on the top of it, I want to show you which placements. ECE placements also I want to show. ECE placements. I want to show ECE placements. On the top of one bar, one more bar I am going to stacking, grouping together at the same place. On the top, this is called what? ECE. On the top of it, I'm going to write it what? IT placements. IT placements these are. So this is called a CSC. This is called what? ECE. This is called what? IT. So all of them are stacking on single bar only. So you can understand 2023 contains one bar. In that one bar, I am showing multiple bars number I am going to show. Are you getting me? So this kind of thing, I will go for what next term? 2024 also I will show. 2024 CSC, 2024 ECE, 2024 IT, 2025 CSC, 2024 ECE, 2024 what? IT. Like that, I want to show bar on the bar. That is known as what? Stacked bar graph. Shall we go to the example? So let's go to the CSC here. I will take it one small example. So I will show you bar graph only. Coming to that, that is a problem is ready for you. This also you take it. Tell me now, what is this now? Years, CSC, IT, ECE, yeah, like this I'm having. Shall we go for now? So I'm going to take this now. Draw a stacked bar graph for all this stuff. So stacked bar graph implementation I'm going to introduce. So let's go to the place. This is called stacked bar graph I'm going to enter. Online students, so try to catch this. So I'm going to take a draw the stacked bar graph, draw the stacked bar graph, for the following, for the following following sample data. Sample data. So there I am going to take something like this. How do you represent this data? I'm just going to write it year and then year values. I'm taking this years are called what ma? Category data. And the numerical values are also available or not? So how do you represent this kind of data? I'm going to take up. I'm going to take up. How do you take this data? I'm going to take. Start the. How do you represent this in our programming students? How do you represent this in our programming? That is an important. Hmm. Same. One is CSV file. One is that already you know how to do it. So as it is taking year, comma, CSC, IT, ECE, ME. There is something mechanical something. And you will write what? All the values separated by what? Comma, 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 you can say. Okay, now? Next, I will do what? How to fetch it? Year versus ECSC, year versus IT, year versus CCE, year versus what? MEC. But how to go for what? Stacked bar graph, that is an important. So I'm going to implement by using what? List I can do, ND array you can do, anything you can do. So let's go for the simple thing. Import, come on all of you, pandas as PD. Next I'm going to take it, import matplotlib, matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Got it. Now I'm going to represent years. Years is equal to, years is equal to, so I'm going to take the years. So that I'm taking 2019. Why I'm taking in the string format? Years are not a numerical values. Don't take it as an integer data. Why? If I take an integer data, it will be taken as a numerical values flow. 2019.0 will come. I think you observed in the first day when I drawn the plot. So next I will take it as what? 2020. 2020. Next is called 2021. 2021. 2020. This is called 2021. Next is called what? 2022. 2022. Are you following me? This is called one list of students. Now I'm going to take it what? Placements. I'm going to take placements. Which placements data I'm going to take it? CSE is there, IT is there, different type of things are there. Now I'm going to take it placements. What are the placements I'm taking? In that, I'm going to take it. What are the placements values I'm taking? In 2019, how many placements are there? 150 got it. In that, how many CSC, how many ECE, how many IT, how many mechanical? I'm writing total number. Are you getting it? In that 150 height, in that 150 value, CSE how many, IT how many, ECE how many? Got it? 150 in the numerical value 150. This is called 0 to 150. In that what is happening? CSE how many, IT how many, ECE how many? It shows the total thing. Are you following me? Yes. So let us go to the 150. Now I'm going to write 100. Now I'm going to take it 115. For example, I'm going to write it 125. For example, I'm just writing. I'm just writing it. Next, I will take up what you know, students. CSC, I'm going to take it. How many CSC I got it here? 70, 40, 60, 80. For example, so I will write it. Come on. 70, 70, 40, 60, 80. These are called what? CSC. Next is called what? IT. IT. IT is equal to IT is equal to 30, 20, 25, 30, 20, 25, 35, 35. Okay. Next is called what? Okay. First these two I will write it. First these two I will write both of. Later I will go for one more I will extend it. Okay now? How do you write it? This is CSC. This is CSC. Now this is called IET. How do you draw? I will draw the bar graph first. So with what? CSC versus with what? Years. Years are called what? X-axis. CSC is called what? Y-axis. Now I'm going to write it. Come on. PLT dot bar of year comma CSC. CSC. Are you following this? So this is by default what will come? This is CSC. So I will write a CSC. So PLT dot what? Show. Show. So it is showing the years. Huh? Okay. Okay. Years. So it is showing the like this. It is showing. Are you able to follow now? And you don't worry about this statement. Even this statement is not necessary. Just don't worry or bother about it. Right. So next I will go to, this is written 2019, 20, 20, 21, 22. These are the categorical data shown. Now students, I will write one more kind of thing. What is that now? PLT dot, come on, bar of, what I am going to do? Years, comma, 1 minute. If I write IT, will not come at the same place. Will not come at the same place. As you expect it IT, it will not come. So see, so it is going to be coming like this. It is going to be coming something like this. What is happening now? It is like that. It is going to be like this on the top of it. What is coming that you try to see? What is the coming? 30. What is the 30? What is the 30? IT. On the top, what is taken? 30 plus 70. It gone to where? 30 plus 40. 30 plus 70. So it is going to be called what? 0 to 70. 70. So CSC should come to where? Bottom. But it is taken what here? Bottom, what is taken? IT. So here on the top of what I should take? On the top of what should I take? IT. So what is the bottom component? So there is one type of, in the stacked bar graph, there is one kind of thing, attribute is called bottom is equal to what? CSE. So I need to write IT only. Here I will write IT. There is one more attribute called bottom. What I will write? CSE. CSE. Now you try to see. Start 2019, 0 to 70. Are you seeing now? 0 to 70. This is called 70 or not? 60 to 80, middle is called what? 70. From 70 to what it exceed? 100. That is called what value? 30. Got it or not? So which is an attribute I am using? Bottom. Are you okay? Bottom I am using. This is called what graph? Stacked bar graph. Got it all? Good. So what is the bottom value? CSC. From that CSC, how much value will be taken? 30. 30. Now tell me, ECE I want to go for. ECE. ECE should be what? On top of what? Huh? On top of what? Come on. No. IT plus CSC. Madhu. IT plus CSC. What is IT? 70. What is the IT? CSC how much? 70. What is an IT? 30. On the top of it, it starts from where? 100 onwards. That is called what? Starting point of what? ECE. Is it correct? Is it correct or not? That is called stacking. Vertical stacking. Are you getting me? So how do you represent, sir? Online students, are you following me? Are you following, students? Now I am going to add it in the same manner. I will go to this one. Go there. Here I am writing one more kind of concept called what? ECE. Come on, ECE is equal to, what are the values I am taking? 20, 19, 20. I have seen it. 20, 19, 20, 80. 20, 19, 20, 18. Are you following me? Okay. Now I need to do what? Some small calculation I need to do. What is that calculation? From where I need to start ECE? ECE to start from where? Chudandi. 70 plus 30. How much? 100. On top of 100, what should I get? So it is 120. Next, 40 plus 20, 60 plus 19. That means 40 plus 20 should be the existing one. That is the bottom value. And the next is called what? 19 is the ECE thing. Like that, each value I need to write like this. So I need to add these values or not? How many times? 4 times. 4 times means how many years? 4 years. 4 years categories. 4 stacked bar graphs I want. Got it or not? Yes. So students, now I'm going to write ECE underscore start is equal to I am using one small for loop here. Comprehension mechanism I am using. Do you know list comprehension? Do you know? I know. You don't know. I said 6 varieties of syntaxes. Comprehension. So what is the purpose of comprehension? To write a precise code, to write a concise code, I will go for what? Comprehension. List comprehension, set comprehension, dict comprehension, tuple comprehension, not there. Why? Tuple is what? Immutable. So that's why it is not there. Already explained or not? Yes. అన్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను కానీ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం ఉండదు. You take Python nodes, move everywhere else. Our nodes is number 1. You already know. తెలుసా? తెలుసు కానీ చదవమే మనం చదవం ఇక్కడ. అందులో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద ప్యాకెట్ ఓన్లీ, బట్ వీ నెవర్ సీ ఇన్ అదర్ ప్యాకెట్స్ వీ విల్ సీ. వాడి దగ్గర ఉందా లేదా? వాడి దగ్గర లేదు, మన దగ్గర ఉంది, చదవము. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్. ఓకే, లెట్ ఇట్ బి స్టూడెంట్స్, బట్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఫర్ యూ. కమ్ ఆన్, నౌ ఐ am రైటింగ్ ఇట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. వాట్ షుడ్ ఐ డూ? ఫార్ come on, I in range of len of er. len of er. Are you following? What is the len of er? What is the len of er? How many years? 4. 4. What is the first value of I? Huh? మీకు చెప్పడం చాలా కష్టమే. 0. For you to tell it, it's a very danger. Very danger and a danger. Look at. Very danger. Come to this. Sometimes నాకు చాలా కోపం వస్తుంది అసలు. ఐ విల్ గెట్ వెరీ యాంగ్రీ, బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ ఎనీథింగ్. వై? బికాస్ యు ఆర్ బిగ్గర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. 150 kgs weight, 6 feet height, 8 feet height, like that. If I beat you, if you fall down on me, it's a problem for me. I'm 76 kgs weight. 200 kgs fall on me, problem will come. That's why I don't say anything. So now come to the point back. Students, you see, for what I'm doing, I in range of len of what? Years. Years. My sir said very thoroughly, range is a function. Range of years means 4. For I in range of 4 means it start from 0 to 4 minus 1. So what will come in I? 0. Next time 1, next time 2, next time 3. So why are you not saying 2019? Students, what you learned in my class is that one you learned? No, students. Now I will write it. Go to the place. Now I am not writing that. Go to this area. ECE underscore start, I said, is equal to comprehension concept. What the value of I? Tell me. What the value of I? Tell me. Come on. I or not? 0 or not? What I will do? CSC of I. What is the CSC of I? 70. Plus next what? IT of I. How much? How much is the value? 70 plus 30. 100. 100 is there what? EC. From 100 place onwards, EC will start. In which year? 2019. Next, what is the value of I? 1. 0 no. 1. 1. EC of 1. CSC of 1, 40. Plus IT of 1, 20. It is a 60. 60 is the next starting point in where? 2020. Like that, all the values 40, 20, 60, 25, like that will come or not? Comprehension concept. Print of what? ECE underscore what? Start. ECE underscore start. Is it the value coming or not? See, this is going to be added here. This is going to be added. Is this addition will be coming or not? So this is the starting point of what? Starting point of what? ECE. So that is what I am trying to do here. This is what I am trying to do here. Go to the place. Here I am trying to write. Tell me. CSE of I plus CSE of I. What I am doing now? Huh? IT of what? I. IT of I am going to do. Are you following me? Right, done. Next, CSC writing. Bar of this one is writing. Next what? PLT dot bar of what? Years, comma, come on, Muddu, ECE. What is the bottom of ECE? Bottom is equal to, come on, array. So what is the bottom of it? ECE underscore start. ECE underscore start. So I need to write here ECE underscore start. If you write IT is going to be what? Not problem. So what is the bottom start place? EC underscore start. What is the EC underscore start? From 100 place, 20, 120. From 60 place, 19. From 85 place, 20. From 115 place, 18. Like that. Apply students, you're all mathematics students. So go there. Now see the data students. So what is that? ఇప్పుడు మీరు స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్లు అవి చెప్తారు ఉత్తగా. Not saying logic. Are you following this? Come on. 100. On the top of 100, what is there? 20. On the top of 60, what is there? Like that. So 20. This is on the top of this one. 90. Like that. It is going to be constructed or not? Are you following this? So students, now I will go for, now I'm going to enter into the further. If you want, you can give your own colors also. If you want, you can write your own colors also. So I'm using the existing colors only. Are you able to follow? Next, I will go for which one? Mechanical. Mechanical. So what is the mechanical start? What is the mechanical start? Mechanical start will be something more or not? So I will go to mechanical start. So I will carry this entire data. Carry this entire data. This data you carry. Go to the place. Right here. Tell me. Mechanical is there. Mechanical data is there. Yes. 12, 15, 6 to 18. Remember. So I will go to MEC. Mechanical. What is this? Is equal to 12. 15, 6, 18. Okay. So now I will write it. Can I do this now? Come on, what is this now? MEC start. MEC start. Mechanical start is equal to CSE of I plus ECE of I. I. For I in range of what? Million of years. Is it clear? So tell me, what is this I should do? Here I am going to do. Tell me. Come on. This is called what? MEC. Next. Bottom is equal to what? MEC underscore start. So I'm going to show. Is it going to be shown or not? It is going to be like that. It is also going to be like this. Are you following this? So this is the different type of stacking is done. This is called which graph? Vertical stacked bar graph. Vertical stacked bar graph. Understood? Yes. So next I will go for vertical stacked bar graph. Similarly, if we go to this place, same manner, If I go to the first approach, here I will write it. So I'm testing your intelligence today. I'm testing your intelligence. So I'm writing what? Bar H. Bar H. Next is what? Bar H. What is this now? Imagine. Bar H means what? Horizontal. Imagine. Visualize by yourself. Years, comma, what? CSC. Okay. Horizontally coming. Next years. IT. What should I write here? Vertical when I go, it is bottom. When I go to horizontal, what is the value? What is the attribute you are expecting? Come on. Huh? Side up. Come on. Correct. Huh? Top. Well, bottom opposite top. Huh? Like that. Huh? Okay, very good. Wrong answer. Next. Height up. That is called normal things. Left. Left is the correct answer. Right side, what is coming? IT. IT left side, CSC. Madhu, no intelligence. Left is what? CSC. Are you following me? See, 2020. It is going to be called what? 70. Exactly, it is showing 70. Then after that, it is going to be improved or not? Next, go to another part of it. Second diagram. I will go to this first diagram. Next, I will go to the another one I will carry. This one I will go for it. So there I will carry here. Get it down. So there I'm going to write it. Start. Same thing. Here I will write. This is left. Next also called what? Left. This is called left. So see students. Bar H. Okay. So see how much big error. Bar H. Bar H. Bar H. So you will say all semicolon mistakes, comma mistakes you will say. H letter missing you will say. Content is the So done like this. Next is called last and final. I will go for this one. What is the last? Another one I will take it. Come on. What is the next? I will take this data. This one. Come on. I will go to which one? Same logic. I will go to this one. So same thing. I will write what? H. I will replace H. Now I'm going to write it left here. Left here. This is also called what? Left. Left I will write it. This also I can write it. Left. So there you are going to get this data. So Kiran, it's a very good doubt, but it is not possible in the Matplotlib. It is possible inside in the Seaborn. Seaborn is another module is there with you can write it. How it is possible? CSC I can write it. Next is called what? IT I can write it. ECE I write it. Next is called what? Mechanical I can write it. I can write this kind of thing. In where it is possible to write Seaborn I can write it. Seaborn. Seaborn is having little advanced features of Matplotlib. But both of them as on today got what? Going to be updated very soon because of Power BI is there. In that you can mention the customization in that. You can mention it. So Rebecca, that's what I'm going to say. You can edit the height when the data is changing. When the data is changing, automatically height will be done. Right or not? I said the attribute also, right? Attribute I said. By default, what is this? What is the attribute? I can increase the attribute. Height you can increase or not? Rebecca, I can do. You can do. Already you have seen that. Can you edit the height? Already earlier, if you look at this graph, you see, Rebecca, you observe it, beginning case. These are the existing thing. This is called width, I changed it. Similarly, you can do what also? Height also I edited. Height also edited. See that, Rebecca. I think you got it. Same thing. We can apply here also, you can do. Okay now? Understood this? This is called which bar, which graphs? Come on. Yes. This is called horizontal stacked bar graph. Earlier one, this is called what? Vertical stacked bar graph. So from where we came, the beginning stage, you don't know what is the variable also. From there you discussing, we came to the stage of visualization. But whether you remembered or not, I don't know. But when you open your notes, your journey speaks from where we came. And once we take the journey, and if you remember everything, it's a powerful journey. It's a top level highway. The top level highway. If you don't read, it is called what? Different highway. It depends on you. Understand? Huh? Right. So students, this is about all about today about what? Different type of stacked bar graph. Is it clear? So now this kind of examples, you practice it. Tomorrow I should see everybody need to do that, and you need to bring the pick in the mobile, you need to pick it. And if I see both of them, change the colors. Change the colors. So you can see, you can go to this place. You can change the colors also. You can go to this place, for example. This is there now. You can take it here. Color is equal to what you can say? Hot blue. Hot blue. Next is called what you know? CSC. I can say color is equal to yellow. I can take it. Yellow. Then next I will take it here. Color is equal to hot pink. Hot pink. Next is called what you know? Color is equal to something like green, you can say, like this. You just have try to observe it. You are getting it. Something you are getting. What is that? So hot blue. So what is this? Space is not there. Huh? So here. So first of all, you just see. Because when we go to the beauty tool, we get a problem there. So you see that dark blue. That's what when we are not practicing, even me also will get error only. So what is that? Dark blue. Dark blue. So you'll get that. And let it be. Huh? Remove space. Huh? Dark blue also same. Huh? Yes. So got it. Don't feel happy for it, students. Is it a Microsoft exam or what? So nothing is there. First of all, I did know you no work. Nothing is there in that. Color changing is any happier. But you people will happy when I show the color change. When I shown CSV file, pandas and everything. Seriously watching that. When I change the color, like that you are saying. So you are bothering about color. It's a very danger. Correct or not? So students. So I should see that because some students will say, oh, please forward your pics or will verify. If any two colors are same, I will give imposition there itself. So I will check tomorrow. All these problems you need to do. All these problems you need to do. Are you following this? So all the problems you need to do. So what I do is here. This one, I will give you one more example for stacked bar graph. Stacked bar graph, I will give you one more thing. This I will go to something like 5. This is called what? Different shades of lipsticks, I said. This is called what? Shade 1. This is called what? Shade 1. Next is called shade 2. I will take it. Shade 2. This is called shade 3. I need to do what? Stack on bar I want. Are you getting it? Bar on bar. So there I will get it 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I will write it 1, 3, 4, 5. Here I will write it 4, 5, 1, 2. Here I will go for 1, 2, 8, 9. Here I will go for 1, 0, 2, 3. 1, 0, 2, 3. I will go for what? 2, 3, 1, 0. These are different shades. I need to say shade 1 on the top of it, shade 2. Shade 2 on the top of it, shade 3. I want what graph it is? Stacked bar graph. Madhu. What is that? On top of shade 1, shade 2. On top of CSC, IT. On top of IT, it is called ECE. Like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I am going to take it 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. Here I am going to write it, 1, 1, 2, 3. Here I am going to take it 1, 0, 3, 4. Here I am going to write it one more kind of thing. Here I will see 1, 3, 4, 5. Here I will write it last value, that is 8, 9, 7. This is the data you need to do it. This you need to draw and you need to show tomorrow. So if you don't show tomorrow these examples, you see both boys and girls need to sit on the ground. Be careful. Be careful. Your color should be completely different from others. All your colors should be different. If two friends are having same color, forwarding that thing, I will check it out. From which mobile that also shared, I can find out. There is one setting is there in your mobile. I can find out easily. You know that also. All girls, be careful. From which mobile it came also, I can find out. I will call that fellow also. Huh? Today? Tomorrow? You need to do today this homework. Tomorrow I will go for the next plot called histogram. What is that? Easy. Easy. What is the use of histogram also? I'll say it is close to what? Bar graph only. But histograms are of three types. Filled histogram, unfilled histogram, step histograms. Types of histograms are there. That I'll explain tomorrow. Easy. Okay. So what is that histogram? The name itself says hist. Hist means what? History. 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 I will take up and I'll go for. In our school days, we used to have now, after seeing this now, 1, 1, 1, 1 like this. When 5 is coming, we will do like this or not? One more is coming like this, we will do like this or not? Do you remember that? What is this? Don't know. That is called frequency distribution. Frequency distribution. Between 100 to 90, how many people came? History. Between 90 to 100 marks, how many people came? Between 80 to 90, how many people came? Between 70 to 80, how many people will came? That is called class intervals. Class intervals. So between 90 to 100, history of the people. That I can represent something like a bar graph only, but in other way around, it will be shown. Okay now? So don't miss tomorrow class.